Welcome back to Box Crafted. Today we're going to talk about air compressors. The air compressor I have works absolutely fine, does the job, but it makes a lot of noise. A lot of noise. And so I've decided to replace it with a California Air Tools 8010A. This air compressor has a reputation for being much quieter, so let's put it together and then give it a test, okay? Another box. Two wheels, bolts, and feet. Instructions, and foam. All right, assembly step number one is to install the muffler into the engine. Let me do that. Let me zoom in. It does not say to use lock thread or anything like that. So we'll put it in. And then there is a drain tube that allows fluids to come out. There we are. It's a little unstable, so be kind of careful. Loosen the bolt. One wheel. Uses an 11/16 inch wrench. Okay, I'm going to bring it in closer for the next one. Take this wheel. So now the next part is to put on the front foot. So to do that, I'm going to prop it up. You take this bolt off, and it goes through the foot into the hole, and then up under here, and I'm sure you're not seeing it because of the way I'm filming. Okay, and then 1/2 inch wrench socket on and the wrench. Of course, the trash guys decided to come right now. Border cable. The difference is remarkable. So there you have it. The new air compressor is much quieter at 67, 68 decibels. The number still sounds high, but that's actually about what I'm speaking now. It is so much quieter that I leave it plugged in all the time. I now use air as much as possible. If nothing else, I dust off the workpiece, my workbench, tools before I put them away. Constantly have that air compressor ready to go. The other one I used to keep put away and only drag out when I needed a brad nailer or something like that. I also need to tell you that I am not sponsored. California Air Tools does not know that I've made this video or that I'm making this video. I purchased it with my own money and am very pleased. I just thought I would let you guys know what a wonderful tool it is and how much nicer it is to have in the shop and to keep ready at any moment's notice. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you found it interesting, and until next video, I hope you get out there and make something.